So friends, I am going to tell you in this video how you can increase the volume of your Realme Narzo phone. You are seeing this setting. I will tell you more setting, after doing which your volume will be increased a lot. So come on, I will tell you where you will find this setting. So let's start the video. So after starting the video, now you have to go to phone setting and search for the option to go off in the setting mono audio. Now you have to click on this setting will be off in your phone. So you have to turn on this setting. Now the volume of your Realme Narzo phone will be increased a lot. So after setting you have to come back. Now you have to search again for developer option. Now you have to click on this. After that you have to come down. So let me come down. After coming down you will see enable absolute volume. So now you have to turn on this setting. Now the sound of your Realme Narzo phone will be become very loud. So friend, if you like the video then definitely like, share and subscribe. Let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.